Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Cadillac Escalade ESV Premium. This is one magnificent full-size luxury SUV. If you're looking for a luxurious family truckster, it doesn't get much better than the Escalade ESV. This one is in beautiful shape inside and out. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle we acquired from GM Financial. Off lease. It's from sunny California. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. Very nicely equipped with features. The premium luxury is one step down from the top of the line. So you have the platinum, which is the top of the line trim level, then the premium luxury is one step below. And the one thing about expensive cars is that the more expensive they are when they're new, the more they depreciate. So getting a nice off-lease Escalade like this is a great alternative over a brand new one. This was over $93,000 MSRP when it was brand new. Has a few options. Usually the premium luxury comes standard with a lot of equipment, but this beautiful crystal white tri-coat paint job, it looks stunning. That was a $1,195 premium for that crystal white tri-coat. Then it has the assist steps, the power retractable running boards. That was a $1,750 option. So you have lots of standard equipment, obviously a beautiful high-grade leather interior. Then you have suede cloth accents throughout on the seats, on the doors, even on the dashboard. Beautiful, I don't know if it's real leather, it might be synthetic leather, but it feels real. What's the difference, I guess, if you can't really tell, but we have this beautiful synthetic, maybe real leather on the dashboard with contrast stitching, wood trim, great sounding Bose audio system, heated and climate controlled seats, keyless ignition with push button start. I love this rear view mirror. You have the normal mirror, but obviously when you have a big SUV like this, especially the long wheelbase, you can see visibility is not the greatest. So this digital rear view mirror gives you an unobstructed view behind you while you're driving. And of course you have a backup camera. When you move up to the premium luxury, you have a more advanced automatic braking system, so you have automatic braking going forwards. But additionally, with the premium luxury, they upgrade you to automatic braking when you're in reverse as well. You can see there's an overhead camera, power adjustable pedals, push button glove box. Obviously, you have an amazing climate control system with 3 rows, heated steering wheel. You have a little bit of wood trim on the steering wheel, only 29,687 miles. Also has a heads-up display and you can adjust it with these settings here. Of course, we have blind spot warning, lane departure prevention, adaptive cruise control. This Escalade pretty much has it all. There are those retractable running boards, and of course, if you don't want them, or you don't want them to go in and out, you can go into the infotainment system and deactivate them so that they won't come out if you don't want to. Beautiful 22-inch wheel package. We had to put brand new tires. When we got this Escalade, the tires are just too low for us to sell, so luckily for you, a little bit more money than we expected to spend, but we wanted to make this one right for brand new tires. So it'll be quite a while before you'll need to do tires in this Escalade. And I can tell you, 22-inch tires for this Escalade aren't cheap, so that's a nice perk that this has them. Man, this crystal tri-coat white is absolutely beautiful. Second row captain's chairs. It's in beautiful shape inside and out, hardly a mark on it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Second row heated seats, rear climate control. With the premium luxury, you're upgraded to a rear entertainment system, and you have a screen for the second row, screen for the third row. We have the wireless headphones and remote right in that center console over there. And not only does the extended wheelbase version of the Escalade give you more cargo area, but you also get a little bit extra legroom for the seats for the passengers as well when you get the ESV version of the Escalade. And this is where it really pays off. See, the problem with a regular wheelbase version of the Escalade and a lot of the smaller competition is when you have a big family and you're utilizing the third row seats, going on a family road trip. Doesn't leave much space back here for cargo. I think normal Escalade would probably, I think it comes right about there. I think it's 25 inches shorter or so. So that doesn't leave a lot of space for a big family full of luggage going away for the weekend, a long weekend, or even a week. But when you upgrade to the ESV, look at all this cargo space. And then when you fold those seats down, the third row seats down, you have amazing cargo space. It's almost like a pickup truck with a canopy on it. And then when you fold down the second row seats, it's even more cargo space. So a pretty impressive amount of space. And thanks to its rugged body-on-frame architecture, it is built on a pickup truck platform. It's based on the half-ton GM's pickup trucks. You can tow right around 8,000 pounds when properly equipped with the ESV Cadillac. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer, there's not a ton of these around. You might really like this Escalade. Well, worrying out, we have a very big pre-owned business. We sell vehicles out of state on a regular basis. We do it all the time. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. We can get you a shipping quote, and we can help you get your vehicle licensed and registered in your home state. The way taxes work is generally you're going to pay tax where you live, not in Washington, if applicable. So if you don't have any sales tax, you're not going to pay sales tax. If you pay 5%, it'll be 5% where you live, just as long as you don't have another residence here in Washington. And call us for more details about that. Beautiful LED headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility, and they look super cool. I mean, look at the looks and lines of this Escalade. The Escalade is pretty much an American icon. When it comes to full-size luxury SUVs, the Escalade is a choice for a lot of people, a lot of wealthy, affluent people, bankers, CEOs, celebrities, sports stars. Even heads of state like to roll in Escalades for very good reason. It is one of the premium luxury brands out there, or luxury SUVs out there. Obviously Cadillac's a very premium luxury brand in general. The heart of the Escalade is this 6.2 liter V8. Not too different than the V8 engine you might find in a Corvette or Camaro. And the Escalade, it makes about 420 horsepower, and that's matched to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So even though it's a big heavy SUV with all that power, it is very quick, and that V8 sounds very nice, almost as good as it sounds in the Corvette. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.